Good morning. Look at these very cool animal pictures that I have up here. So far this week, we have talked about mammals and we have talked about reptiles. I want you to look at these pictures. There's an elephant, a dog, a giraffe, a shark, a goldfish, and a stingray. Your job right now is to look for the mammals. Remember, what are the four things that mammals have? They have hair or fur. They have babies that are alive, that are born alive. Their babies drink their milk, and they're warm-blooded. Let's see, which animal fits all four of those? You know? Okay, go ahead and tell me. Yes, the dog does. What else? The giraffe. Yeah, the giraffe definitely has hair. Does the shark have hair or fur? I don't think so. It can't be the shark. The elephant, right? It doesn't look like the elephant has fur or hair, but it does. If you look at your arm, you can see little tiny hairs on it. That's the kind of hairs that the elephant has. Little tiny hairs. All right. So you looked for mammals. Now I want you to look for reptiles. This might be trickier. Let's go over the three things a reptile has. It doesn't have hair or fur. Instead, it has scales. What kind of blood does it have? Cold-blooded. And it lays eggs. Okay, so let's look carefully. We have the frog, the newt, and the salamander. We have a snake, a turtle, and an alligator. Which ones are reptiles? Which ones have scales? Yeah, the snake, definitely, right? Oh, yeah, the turtle, nice job. Yeah, because I remember seeing those photographs in our reptile book. Look at the frog closely. Does it look like it has scales? Oh, can't be the frog. The alligator, nice job. All right, so last time we read about mammals and reptiles. This time we're going to learn about a whole other classification called amphibians. What? Say amphibians. Amphibians. All right. Let's classify animals. Yeah, let's do it. Nothing else to do on a Thursday, huh? All right, let's classify animals. Hi, Kelly Hicks. Thanks, Kelly. Let's classify. Here's the title page. Let's classify animals. Super shiny again. What is going on with the lighting today? Maybe if I do that a little bit better. Oh, what text feature do you see? Yeah, high five. The table of contents. Nice job. So what type of book must this be? You see photographs? And table of contents? It is. It is nonfiction. Oh, you are so smart. Kiss your brain. Kiss. All right. So let's see the headings. Sorting species. That is what the table of contents said. So the table of contents, when it lists the names of the sections, it's giving you the headings and what that whole section is going to be about. Sorting species. So it's kind of like grouping things and putting things in different sections, like, maybe it's a mammal, maybe it's a reptile, maybe it's an amphibian. Did you know there are millions of different kinds of animals or species living on the earth? Scientists study these species and classify or sort them into groups. Ooh, look at a cute caption. Look, it's got a cute little box and a pin. I like that caption. All over the world, scientists search the land and sea in order to discover new species. Maybe when you grow up, you can be an explorer and you can study animals and explore new places and maybe discover a new animal. Whoa, that would be a really cool job, wouldn't it? To classify different kinds of species into groups, scientists study what makes species similar and What makes them different? Let's take a closer look. Look at, there's a grasshopper, a tarantula, and a polar bear. Oop, and I'm covering up a pit viper. And a baby goat. Oh, it's so cute. All right, this heading says classifying animals. All animals that have hair or fur on their bodies are in the same group. So hair and fur. They are warm-blooded animals that give live birth to their young. So the babies drink milk from their mothers. How do we classify these critters? So there's hair and fur, warm-blooded. They give birth to live babies, and their babies drink milk. Let's see, can you get it? What type of animal is it? Did you say it? Mammals. They are mammals. Did you get it? Kiss your brain. Elephants, polar bears, and goats are all mammals. People are mammals too. That's you. Yep, warm-blooded, check. Give birth to live young, check. Babies drink milk from mothers, check. Hair, fur, check. Right, African elephants, beautiful family. Polar bear with cubs. Can you see the cub? Oh, it's so cute. What other? I wonder what classification this is going to be. Some critters have scales instead of fur or feathers. They are cold-blooded animals and have dry skin. Most lay eggs. How do we classify these critters? Tell me. Oh, this is a pit viper. All right, so what's the classification? Scales, cold-blooded, and lays eggs. What is it? Reptiles. They are reptiles. Nice job. Kiss your brain. Crocodiles, chameleons, and snakes are reptiles. Reptiles. Cold-blooded? Check. Babies hatch from eggs? Check. Have scales? Check. Nice job. Now, here's our brand new classification. You ready? Meow. Did you see it? Want to do it again? Meow. All right. Some animals live both on land and in water. Oh, that's new. So they live in land and water. They are cold-blooded like reptiles, but have moist skin instead of dry skin. They lay eggs and have webbed feet. How do we classify these critters? So they live on land and water. They're cold-blooded. They have skin that's moist. That means it's wet, right? That's probably why they need to live near water, right? And they lay eggs. It's an Amazon leaf frog. They are amphibians. This is how you spell it. Look at big word. See the power word am. PH says amphibians, right? Even grown-ups have to break up words to learn how to sound them. It's called chunking. Did your teacher teach you that yet? Chunking. That's a 1B kind of thing, right? So you're chunking up, looking for power words inside. I spy am, and I know that the digraph PH says like phone. All right. Amphibians are cold-blooded. Check. Their babies hatch from eggs. Check. They live on land and water. Check. And we know they have moist skin. That's why they live near water too. All right. So Australian tree frog. So frog is an amphibian. A toad is an amphibian. And a salamander is an amphibian. All right, so we just learned a brand new classification. So let's go back to our pictures from the beginning. Look at these. Which ones are the amphibians? Yeah, the whole top row, right? You see the frog? That's an amphibian. The skin looks like it's a little wet. And we know if we look around their habitat, we know we're going to find some water. Same with this newt and same with this salamander. Yeah. All right, so we have learned about mammals. Let's go over. Mammals have hair or fur. Their babies are born alive. The babies drink milk. And what kind of blood do they have? Warm blood. Nice job. All right, so then let's go over reptiles down here. Reptiles have scales. What kind of blood do they have? Cold-blooded. And where do their babies come from? Their babies hatch from eggs. Nice job. So now let's talk about amphibians. Amphibians, where do they live? They live in two places, land and water. Everything else we've talked about has always lived on land. These need land and water. What about their babies? Hatch from eggs. And what about their blood? Cold-blooded. Tomorrow, we're going to learn about another whole brand new group. All right? Come back tomorrow to learn about our last group of animals. I cannot wait to see you. Ready? It's a date. Mark it on your calendar. See you tomorrow. See you later, alligator. You could say see you later, reptile. All right. Bye, guys.